Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious fish soup with vegetables. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 1.5 pounds of firm white fish, like cod or snapper, and 4 cups of your favorite mixed vegetables. Think carrots, celery, and potatoes for a hearty base. Don't forget a good quality broth and some aromatic herbs to really bring out the flavors. Getting everything ready beforehand makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now that you have your ingredients, let's get them prepped. Cut your fish fillets into roughly 1-inch pieces. This ensures they cook quickly and evenly. Season them lightly with salt and pepper. For the vegetables, dice your carrots, celery, and potatoes into small, uniform pieces. This helps them cook at the same rate and contributes to a pleasant texture in every spoonful. Proper preparation is key to a successful and flavorful soup. With your ingredients prepped, it's time to build the soup's flavorful base. In a large pot, heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil over medium heat. Sauté your diced onions and minced garlic until they become fragrant and translucent, usually for about 3 to 4 minutes. Next, pour in 6 cups of fish or vegetable broth. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer, allowing the flavors to meld together beautifully before adding the main components. Finally, let's bring it all together for a comforting meal. Gently add your prepared fish pieces to the simmering broth. Cook them for just 5 to 7 minutes, or until they turn opaque and flake easily. Overcooking can make the fish tough, so keep a close eye on it. Stir in fresh herbs like dill or parsley right before serving. Ladle your warm, delicious fish and vegetable soup into bowls and enjoy this wholesome, homemade delight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.